Hey friends, it's Ashley, and today I'm going to take you along as I put together day 14 in my 2021 stitch journal for December daily. I am going to show you how I put together one of my favorite little spreads here. It is a blank page and one of those pre-printed pages in a Creative Bubble stitch journal. I'm going to use this grid 6x8 that came in the Feed Your Craft in a Creative Bubble kit, and then I have a flap already in place that is just from one of the 6x8 pages from the 2021 Paislee Press December Daily Minikit. This piece right here is a pie chart that I put together using the template and lesson from the 2021 December Daily Prep Day. It is still available on Ali Edwards' site, $5. It's a great deal. There are so many digitals and printables and just a great collection of knowledge. So that's where I'm starting out. I had already known that that's what I was going to do after we got sick this month, and so I grabbed just a collection of photos from us not feeling well, and I got 8 of them. I sized them to the approximate size of those white boxes, and I'm just going to cut them all down and paste them in, and then in the center is where I'm going to put my number, as you can see there. So I am going to put the journaling on the back of this flap, and I'm going to creating a border here with leftover papers for that pie chart piece that I made. I made it using some papers that I had stamped out, like this piece that I'm using for that center square, or I guess a rectangle, not a square. So I used that stamp from one of the In a Creative Bubble stamp sets, and then I used some papers from my stash and papers from the In a Creative Bubble kit, and I just used those to create this pie chart. I also added a journaling card that said, "This is what life looks like." I felt like it was very fitting. So that's how I did that pie chart. And then, like I said, I'm just using leftover scraps from that for this journaling section, and then a home for my number. And then also on the flap for my journaling, I added one of the puffy stickers from the Feed Your Craft kit that says, "Let's stay home." And then I used the house paper there, kind of just because we were stuck at home. And just, I liked that it paired with this most wonderful time of the year, magic, remember December sentiment, because, well, I explained it in my journaling, but it just kind of created a situation in which we needed to stay home, stay together. And, you know, we were sick, but it was also kind of wonderful at the same time. So that's it for this spread. I will have a couple more coming up, and then a flip through eventually, because I had some requests for that. Please hit like and subscribe, leave any comments in the comments section, and thanks for checking out this video today. See you next time. Bye.